How to find old posts on Facebook. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, we'll discuss on how to locate all your posts on Facebook. So let's begin by opening any web browser such as Google Chrome, and in the search bar type in facebook.com and hit enter in your keyboard. Now to view all your posts, navigate to your Facebook profile. Click on the profile icon in the top right corner of your screen. Then tap on your name, and this way you will be directed to your personal profile page. If checking each post individually is time consuming, there is an alternative method. Now simply scroll down. You can see the indication of post, and in the right hand side you can see the option of manage post. Click on this option, and here are the posts from my Facebook account. To filter by date, select this filter option over here, and now you can select the date posted, choose the desired year such as 2023 or 2022. And you can even select the option of posted by, privacy, and tagged post. After you've done that, click on done. It will show you the post from the year you'd like to see. So this way you can easily access your old post on Facebook. By following these steps, you can find the old post on your Facebook account easily. So I hope you found this information helpful. If you enjoyed it, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.